Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to hide authors in OneNote on an iPhone. Let's begin. To hide authors in OneNote on an iPhone, you just have to follow with these simple steps. Of course, you need to launch the OneNote app on your iPhone and navigate to the notebook or section you're working on. Alright, for example, in this case, I'm going to be working on this. And I want you to go to the settings. There's going to be a three dots icon here. If you click on the settings right here, you just have to go to the edit and view. And there should be an option that says hide authors. All right, it's very easy. All you're going to do is, you see, you can hide or show other authors' initials next to their changes in shared notes. If you do that, what will happen is, all right, it is something very beneficial because for one, author tags can clutter the page, all right, especially in heavily collaborative notes. Hiding them provides a cleaner and more focused reading experience. Now, I find it professional when presenting or sharing notes. Hiding authors can make the content look more polished and avoid distractions caused by multiple names appearing throughout the document. Now, this is particularly helpful in our G Plus YouTube channel because we are a handful of individuals and alongside with our client. All right. If the notebook contains sensitive information or shared publicly, we hide authors so that we can protect the identity of our clients and contributors. All right. Of course, it also promotes equal participation without emphasizing individual contributions. You help focus on the content rather than who contributed it, which can be helpful in brainstorming sessions. And of course, the group projects. And once you've done, go back to the section that you are working with and just have to continue. It's a simple way to enhance the user experience depending on the notebook's purpose and audience. All right. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching, guys. We will see you again in the next one.